Also wanted to take a minute to show you how you can visualize the contents of the ARM template written in JSON. The reason to do so is because what's written inside this JSON is really difficult to comprehend with human eye. We really don't know what exactly is it deploying unless you go and introspect into individual components like storage accounts, network names. Well, is it creating a virtual machine or a web app is something only known if you go ahead and research into this JSON and look at this line by line. There is something called as visualize button, which you might have already noticed by now. So if I click on it, it will take me to another web page, which is armviz.io, which stands for Azure Resource Manager Visualization. Now this tells me what the Azure Resource Manager template will do. What is a JSON template do? Or what will the template create once it is called from PowerShell? So if I look at these individual components, it tells me that the ARM template will create a simple Windows virtual machine. I'll just zoom it a little bit so you can see it better. It says that it's going to create a Windows virtual machine, a network card, a virtual network, a public IP, and a storage account as well. You can click on these individual sections, individual blocks, and then know more about it. What is it creating in that virtual network? How many subnets? What is a CIDR block, or what is a network ID of that resource? So we will be pointed to that particular section here, right? So it then becomes easy for us to look at these individual components. And then if you want to know just about the virtual machine, you can click on it. It takes me to that section and helps me understand what is the size and specifications of that virtual machine. So armviz.io is a method to look at your JSON file and understand the individual components that we have inside the JSON template.